Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to do a look from the Allure Boxes palette of the month, The Chosen Bun by Beauty Bakery. And they always have little food puns, and it's very cute. And I chose this out of choosing this or a highlight palette. I already had the highlight palette, so I chose this. So we're going to do a look with this today. Would you like to see some magic swatches? I'm sure you would. 1, 2, 3. Bam! There's all the colors. And it's a beautiful, beautiful neutral palette with really brilliant shimmers and great mattes. And I just can't wait to put it on my face. And I do have hooded eyes, so this is a hooded eye tutorial. And this is just so beautiful. And, you know, I always need a good neutral palette, and this is a great size to take on the road. I just did makeup for a wedding this past Friday, and that turned out really well. I'm going to start with this color here. It says Sugar Glaze. I'm going to put that in my crease. It's a perfect crease color. Great place to start. And this was a $38 value. And my box for Allure is only a $24 box. But we had over $124 worth of stuff in it. And that is really awesome. Which really floated my little proverbial boat. I'm going to... There's a little hiccup. It's not bad. I'm going to go into cinnamon and put that in my crease as well, and a little bit on the outer corner because it's kind of dark. Not too dark, but it's really a great color to play with. So I like to have layers of colors, and I like to have darker colors on the outside of the eyes because it adds a lot of depth. And for even more depth, I'm going to go into brown sugar down here and put that pop of brown right there. It's very good. Very good indeed. I like that. I'm blending it out. That looks really good. I'm excited about it. Now I'm going to take one of these shimmers. I'm going to go into this one, which is vanilla, and put it on my lid. I love a pop of shimmer on the lid. I'm going to blend it into the other corners on the outside there. And this is a very soft to the touch kind of shimmer. And I like putting shimmers on with my fingers because you get more payoff that way. It really makes it stay and pop. I'm going to do some eyeliner now. I do top eyeliner. I never do bottom eyeliner. It's kind of a pinup style. And it's also, I tear up easy because I'm an emotional person. And I don't want to have mascara running down my face. And this is still a stay all night or stay all day eyeliner. It's a little old, so it's a little dry, but it's still doing the job. It's one of my very favorite eyeliners of all time. I'm probably going to get rid of it though because I have other eyeliners that are newer. I didn't know this one was getting dried out like this. It's making a soft smudge instead of a hard black line, which I really kind of like for this look. Into the garbage. You just don't know what I do. Speaking of Stila, this mascara is fantastic, and they sell it in a boxy pop-up or drop shop, whatever, for $7, and it's great. It's Stila Huge Mascara. I've been using it for years, and I just bought a new one like last month, but this one's still going strong. Getting mascara all over my eye here. Let me get a tissue, a Q-tip. Just take care of that. I'm a little messy today, but that's all right. I have a friend coming over for coffee, and we're gonna have delicious coffee and talk. I love drinking coffee with friends. We get that caffeine buzz together. I've got a little mascara on this eye also, but not as much as the other one. Alright, so that is my eye look. It's very pretty. It's very easy to blend. The colors have a lot of payoff. I'm really tickled about it. For my lippy, I'm going to use some color because that's so neutral. I'm going to put this on. And this is a dark lip. It's number 50 Voyager in Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And it's a deep, dark berry color. Very 90s. And there we have it. A beautiful look with the Beauty Bakery, the Chosen Bun palette. I feel super cute. I'm going to have a great coffee date, and I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.